Hey, my name's shawnshawn. I sell art on shawnshawn.co and specials on eBay. Today we're going to do a tip of the day about the power of no selling. So many of these selling courses, they'll tell you get to yes several times and then you kind of wear them down and get them to buy in. But what that does is kind of set them up to be like, this is some kind of scam. Do I really want this? Why is this guy being so pushy? So getting yes multiple times is actually a really poor way to get a sale because people just agree, but they're not really agreeing. It's just a false yes. So if you use the opposite approach, so use a negative that they don't want to buy into. So say I'm walking by and I'm selling art at an art fair, and it's a young couple. It's probably their first time buying. You might say, you don't want your house to look bare, do you? Aren't you sick of collecting posters? And they might, oh, well, that's a yes. So are you only going to collect posters the rest of your life? And people say, no, I'm going to collect art. So you immediately kind of get them to deny some negative, and then they'll buy into it. So another one I use is they're kind of walking by. They look like they're 30 or so. Maybe they're already kind of got their first house. You might say, oh, it's her anniversary. Aren't you going to buy your girlfriend something for her birthday or her anniversary? Isn't it time for a birthday gift? Well, that's a yes. So I'm not doing a very good job explaining this, but you use a negative to get to a positive. So, can't you afford a dinner and a movie? This artwork's just, like, your low end price might be $25. You could say this is the same price as a dinner or movie. Can't you afford that? That's only one time versus this is for a lifetime. You want to not pass anything on to your kids. And, what are you going to collect before you die kind of thing. You can do really extreme examples and they'll be like, oh, I want to collect. I want to be this. I don't want to be a loser that doesn't have any artwork, right? So put them in that kind of really negative statement and they'll obviously react with, no, I'm not that person. I'm not like that. And so that'll kick them off the process saying, hey, maybe I should be a collector of art. Hey, maybe I should buy this particular art. You can say like, hey, this artwork might not be here tomorrow. Are you sure you want to pass it by? And they're like, whoa, it might be gone tomorrow. I can't buy this. So use negatives to get to the sale. So that'll really help them with the fear of risk. It really works well. You might lose this. This might be gone tomorrow. I sell these pretty regularly. I may not paint this again. What if I get run over? You might not have your chance to buy this artwork again if it's sold. So, those are extreme examples, but that really helps you get a sale when people are on the fence. Because most sales are probably going to be on the fence, probably 90% of the cases, and you're only going to have like 5-10% are going to be like, I want to buy this now, and they don't ask you any questions, and the artwork kind of sells itself. Don't sell like that. That really, you're going to miss 90% of your sales. Most people are on the fence. There's going to be some objections, and you can get over those objections with a negative. So that's my tip of the day.